Good afternoon, girls. How are you all? I hope that you are all fine. Girls, today we will start a new lesson. So please bring your books and open your books on page 245 to start our lesson after 1 minute. So girls, today our lesson is multiplication with decimals and whole numbers. So today we will start with multiplication between decimals. You know, we talked about how to do addition and subtraction between two decimals. Now we will start with multiplying decimals with whole numbers. So how can you use probabilities and place value to multiply decimal and whole number? So there is some probabilities will help me to find the multiplication between decimal and whole. So we will see now how we will do it in more than one way. Okay, so let's start with the first example. Okay, the first example on page 245. Look, if I want to multiply 5 with 2.5 tenths, okay? 5 with 2.5 tenths. If I want to find the answer for this multiplication. Okay, there's two ways in this example to find the answer. So in this lesson, you have in your book 3 ways. Distributive probability, that's mean you have to find the multiplication by using probabilities. Partial product, and you took partial product last year, and today we will remember together the partial product, and how to use place value pattern to find the multiplication. And I will tell you the way that I prefer, which is regrouping. Okay, so let's start with the first example, or with the first way, distributive probability. You remember distributive probability told me that you can break a number into addition between two numbers. That's mean, look, if you want to multiply 5 with 2.5 tenths, first thing you will take the decimal number, this one, 2.5 tenths, and break this number into addition between two numbers. The first one is the whole, and the second one is the decimal part. That's mean I will take the whole here is 2. So I will take the 2 and put it here, plus the decimal part, because you know when you want to add a whole with decimal number, the answer will be 2.5 tenths. Okay, so I will do the inverse operation here. I will break down the decimal number into addition between two numbers. The first one is the whole part. The second one is the decimal part. The first one is the whole, and the second one is the decimal part. Now I will use the distributive probability. Distributive probability told me, I think we took it before, that you can multiply a number with addition, or with addition for two numbers, by multiplying 5 with 2 first and put it between parentheses, then multiply the same number with 0.5 tenths and put it between parentheses. That's mean I will multiply the number that is out the parentheses here with the first number and with the second one, and add the answers. That's mean I will take this 5 and multiply it with 2 first and put it between parentheses, and I will take the addition and put it here out. Then I will take the same number 5 and multiply it with the decimal number, which is here 0.510. Okay? So we name this property that will help me to find the multiplication here distributive property. Okay? That's mean you can break down the multiplication here. Okay? So let's start. 5 multiply 2. So I have to find the answer for each multiplication here between parentheses. So first thing, 5 multiply 2 equals what? 10, as the girl said. Thank you so much. And 5 multiply 0.5. How I will find the multiplication right here? Okay, girls. If I want to multiply a whole number with 0.5 here, decimal number. So first thing, I will multiply the numbers by each other. 5 multiply 5. And then I will take I will put the decimal point. How I will do that? Let's see. Look, do not look at the decimal point. I will look at the number 5 and 5 here. 5 multiply 5 is 25. Okay? 25. This is the answer for multiplication. What about the decimal point? Look, the decimal point right here in this number is we have only one digit after the decimal point, right? One digit only after the decimal point. And right here there is no decimal point. That's mean in the answer I have to put one digit after the decimal point, which is here 5. So there is only one digit after the decimal point in this number. That's mean in the answer also I will put only one digit after the decimal point. Okay? Now, after that, 10 plus 2.5. How I will add a number, a whole number with decimal number. We learn how to add those numbers. I have to order the numbers vertically like this. 10. Okay? And under the 10, I have to put 2.5. That's mean I have to order ones under the ones. And there is no tens here, so I will put the decimal point and there is 0. Okay? After the decimal point in the 10th digit. What about the decimal point? Must be under the decimal point as we said, and I have to put 5 under the 10th, which is here 0. Then add the numbers. Okay? 0 plus 5 equals 5. And I will take the decimal point and put it in the answer, sorry. And 0 plus 2 equals 2. And so on. So this is the answer for this multiplication. 12.5. Okay, girls? So this is the answer for this multiplication by using distributive property. Now, if I want to find the answer by using partial product for the same exercise. Let's start. Okay, you remember partial product told me that you have to multiply the one digit number with each digit in the two digit number according to the value of the digit, according to the place value of the digit. So look at the first multiplication. First thing, I will multiply 5 with 5. I will start with 5 multiply 5. This is a whole number and this is a tens number. Tens. That's mean in the first step here, girls. In the first step, I will multiply 5 with what? with here with 0.5. Okay, because this is 5/10. Okay, girls? As I said right here, how we will multiply a whole number with a decimal number. I told you, I think last week, I talked about this. You have to multiply 5 with the number 5. Then you will put the decimal point. That's mean 5 multiply 5 equals 25, right? 25. This is the answer for this multiplication. And I have here one digit after the point. That's mean I have to move the point only one digit right here. So the answer will be what? 2.5. This is the answer for first division. For the first division. What about the second? 5 multiply 2. So after that I will take the 5 and multiply it with what? With 2. 2 is a whole. That means this is very easy for me. 5 multiply 2 equals what? Equals 10. I have to write the answer here, but I have to order the digits under each other.